Today we will be repairing our old dumbbells. Been used so much and the screw is broken and it left inside. So we have to take it off, so put another screw. So this is how it works. This is how the technique on how to repair such. We will put a tube within it and then weld the tube inside. Okay. Go. Now we'll weld the tube or a lever so that we can twist it back, since the broken already stuck with the one on the screw. See how it works. Voila, it's done. Now we're twisting it back. We're taking off the old. Oops, the tube broke out. So there's a thin tube. The only thing we can find. And then we twist it again. We put some used oil as lubricant so it will twist much more better. Now we got it out already. Although the tube is broke out, as you can see, we're twisting it back now. We're ready to see. This is the broken screw. Now we're ready to put back everything all together again, since we have already taken off the broken screw inside. This is a done thing. We already put up everything. So see how it works. Now good for use in the gym already. See, that's it. Thank you. Hope you learned something about such techniques. Thank you. Great day to all.